good afternoon children. 4th class children, all numbers open your textbook nana. Page number 35. Okay madam. Page number 35 here I will write. Page number 35. Okay, TB means textbook. Okay. What here no? Fill in the blanks also have. This lesson also already over no? Gopal, Ramu, Somu, that one lesson also. Yes, fill in the blanks also. What writing no? Only I will write answers. Okay madam. Hard work is a key to. Here also clues also have. Okay. Hard work is a key to success. And second one. Dash was a rich businessman in a town. What here? Gopal. Gopal. And third one. Dash was very clever. Ramu is a clever. Ramu. And fourth one. Somu was foolish. Somu was foolish. And last fifth one, what writing now? Somu realized his mistake at the end. Mistake. First one, what here? Hard work is a key to success. Hard work is a key to success. మనం ఏదైనా కానీ హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తేనే మనం ప్రతిఫలం పొందుతాం అన్నమాట. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఏ కీ టు సక్సెస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ Gopal was a rich businessman in a town. This lesson also which one who rich person also Somu, Ramu and next one Gopal. Gopal was a rich businessman in a town. Okay. Ramu was a very clever. 2-3 persons also have no. That one also. Which person clever? That one also. Ramu and Gopal also. Gopal also what here also? Rich businessman. That one also. Ramu and Somu also servants also have no. Here Ramu also talent person. Okay. Ramu was a clever. Next. Somu was foolish. Somu was foolish. Somu realized his mistake at the end. ఆఖరికి తన తప్పు తెలుసుకున్నాడట. ప్రతి మనిషికి ఒక ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. తప్పు చేసింటాడు, అది కామన్, ఒక మనిషికి ఇవ్వాలి. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో దట్ గోపాల్ ఆల్సో గివ్ వన్ ఛాన్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, వన్ మిస్టేక్. Somu realized his mistake at the end. And next one what nana here also. And we have learned them vocabulary skills. All numbers they have vocabulary skills coming. And next one tomorrow homework what no? First of all you have read the lesson. Okay nana. And hard words also you have underline them. And next one you have first of all you have read the lesson and vocabulary skills also you have learned tomorrow homework. And next one nana Monday 4th class children you have come to the school. I will correction do them. And I will put them marks also. 4th class children, so all numbers. Okay. And next one. What here now? Complete the following words. Okay. A bit what here? Complete the following words. Complete the following words. Yes. First one what here? Age. ADAGE, age. And second one what? REACH, reach. REACH, reach. Next one PERFECTLY, perfectly. PERFECTLY, perfectly. And next one, fourth one what no? COME, come. And fifth one CLEVER, clever. CLEVER, clever. And sixth one VILLAGE, village. VILLAGE, village. And seventh one ASSIGN, Zain. ASSIGN, Zain. Next one BUSINESS, business. BUSINESS, business. And next one, ninth one, what now? see Jealous, delicious. And last one what now? Foolish. First one what now? ADAGE, 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 adage. REACH, 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 reach. PERFECTLY, 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 perfectly. COME, calm, COME, calm. CLEVER, 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 clever. VILLAGE, 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 village. ASSIGN, 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 assign. BUSINESS, 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 business. JEALOUS, delicious, JEALOUS, delicious. FOOLISH, 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 foolish. And this one also complete the following words also have. Tomorrow again down also I will explain them, Nana. You have what learn them tomorrow all numbers also. First of all you have read the lesson, and afterwards we have what here vocabulary skills also have learned them, Nana. The next one we have daily exam also I will conduct them this lesson over also, and Monday also you have incomplete students also you have complete them and do correction and all of you, all numbers. Bye and all of you.